Welcome to ProBeta's quick video tutorials. In this video, we'll be discussing document 220, Going Concern Conclusion. The objective of this document is to assist you in obtaining sufficient appropriate audit evidence regarding the appropriateness of management's use of the going concern assumption in the preparation of the financial statements, and to lead you to conclude, based on the evidence obtained, whether any material uncertainty exists related to the events or conditions that may cast significant doubt on the entity's ability to continue as a going concern. This document can be found under the Finalization folder under the Engagement Working Papers folder in your Caseware document library. The document structure is the same for both small and large entities, and ideally contains no tabs, but simply an area to record events as well as a conclusion area. If, however, any events have been recorded, your document will contain 3 tabs. These tabs are Events and Conditions, Audit Procedures, and Conclusion. If no events have been recorded, you can record a new event by clicking on the Record button. This will open the Record Event screen, where you will need to enter the details of the event. In the Source column, you can double-click on the Source input cell to insert the previous document you worked on, or you can type in the source document. In the Next column, insert the description of the event or condition identified. As you record new events, a new blank row will be added automatically. In the Additional Observations column, you can insert any additional observations. The final column is the Reference column. Here, you can insert the reference to supporting documentation or other documents within your Caseware file. Once you're done recording an event or condition, click on Submit. Note that the 3 tabs mentioned previously are now visible to you. On the Events and Conditions tab, you'll now notice 3 additional columns, in addition to the columns you completed when recording the event or condition. In the Management Response column, you need to insert management's response to the event or condition. In the Evaluation of Management Response column, you need to evaluate management's response and document your evaluation of management's response. And finally, you need to evaluate if the treatment of the going concern event or condition is acceptable, and if so, conclude on the event in the Conclusion column. On the Audit Procedures tab, you will be guided to look at different sources and documentation to identify events casting doubt on the entity's ability to continue as a going concern. In the Exceptions column, state whether you found any exceptions during testing by using the Yes/No drop-down box. If you select No Exceptions, then the Performed By column will be signed off automatically. Alternatively, if you select Yes, a comment box will appear under the procedure, where you can document your exceptions and comments. When exceptions are documented accurately, it will assist you in determining where more work may be needed. Where exceptions were found, you'll have to sign off manually by clicking the checkbox in the Performed By column, indicating to the reviewer who performed the work. The final column is the Reference column. Here you can insert the reference to supporting documentation or other documents within your Caseware file if necessary. Additional rows can be inserted at the end of a table. Right-click on the consideration and then click on Insert Row at the end of the table. The row will be inserted at the end of the table. If the Insert Row selection is disabled, it means that you are on a lower case view user level than set by the engagement partner in the probe firm settings. To delete a row, right-click on a row you have inserted and click on Delete Row. You can only delete rows that you or another user have inserted and will not be able to delete any pre-programmed ProbeMMX content. The Delete Row option will hide if there is any text in the row that you are trying to delete. The cell must be cleared before its row can be deleted. If the Delete Row item is disabled, it means that you are on a lower case view user level than set by the engagement partner in the probe firm settings. One of our amazing premium features offered to our premium users is Caseware Risk Space. Caseware Risk Space is an online community that provides content to help you document risks, controls, and management letter points. Premium users can import risks, controls, and management letter points from Caseware Risk Space into their template by clicking on the Caseware Risk Space icon. This will not only save you time typing, but will also ensure that the correct spelling and grammar are used, which will result in great report writing. This document also contains features from our add-on products that we offer. These products are the recognition and measurement add-ons for IFRS and IFRS for SMEs. The recognition and measurement components include more specific procedures in this document to assist you in ensuring compliance with the relevant financial reporting framework. The optional Probe MMX IFRS and IFRS for SMEs add-on modules were designed to assist you, the auditor, in ensuring that the recognition and measurement of each line item on the financial statements are recognized and measured in accordance with IFRS or IFRS for SMEs. These add-ons also cater for the ever-changing environment of these accounting frameworks by incorporating early adoption of changes in standards and reacting to future development requirements due to further changes within these standards. If no events or conditions were identified that may cast significant doubt on the entity's ability to continue as a going concern, you can simply conclude by selecting the relevant checkboxes in the conclusion section. If, however, events or conditions were identified, you need to conclude on each event or condition on the Events and Conditions tab, and conclude on each audit procedure on the Audit Procedures tab, before concluding by selecting the relevant checkboxes on the Conclusion tab. After selecting the appropriate conclusion, Probe MMX will suggest the appropriate form of the audit opinion regarding the appropriateness of the going concern assumption. Finally, you need to sign off the document once all conclusions have been effected. For more information, you can visit our website at www.probemmx.com. Email us at probesupport@probeta.co.za or call us on 010 595 QMMX today. Thank you for watching.